Friends, in this video you'll learn how we made $266 within 2 hours. I will show you a strategy that we used and that you can mimic it and also can make money, such amount of money. Let's start. This story starts at 7 p.m. In our free signals channel. The link will be in description. You also can join until 10,000 people. It will be for free. Significant size appeared in a dome of Bitcoin. This chart that I showed to you, it is a heat map. It shows where big size appears. And pay attention, big size appears on Bitcoin, even two big sizes. After that, by using DOM, we open a trade. Pay attention to this part. Pay attention to this part. We open a trade, and what you can see here, it is our size, our average price, and also you can see it on a chart. About DOM, about DOM, the most powerful indicator in crypto, there would be video lesson in description, in cards and in end cards. That's why watch until after you finish this video. It's really important for you, and that lesson for free. We took a trade. Let's go to video. At this moment, as you can see, I just opened for you a video where you can see all these trades that will happen. It is our trade, place where we open a trade, our stop loss, and all of that. Pay attention to this stuff, my friends. It is a DOM. As you can see, we see real trades that's going on Bitcoin. And this big order protect our trade because price exactly bounced from this big order. After that, within few minutes, have a look. Within few rose by 0.43%. What's the biggest beauty of this? With stop loss 0.04, price already rose 1 to 10. And at this moment, we start booking part of our profit to be out of risk. And I highly recommend all of you use such strategy when you price move into your favor. Allow trade to go on, but also book part of profit to be out of any risk. And within few minutes, as you can see, have a look. Within 30 minutes, we booked, pay attention, our size 0.94. At the beginning, our size was 1.4. That means we booked nearly 40% of our trade, 35 approximately. And at this moment, we were completely out of any risk. And after that price go on, nothing change a lot. And after that, have a look at this time. Have a look how price moves up, and at this moment we could close a trade with $142 of profit, and we booked already 52. That means we could book nearly $190 of profit at this moment. And after that, within few seconds, have a look how price explode. Beautifully explode. And at this moment, what we do, pay attention to this red dots. It shows to us where we close the trade. At this moment, we started closing our trade, and have a look. At this moment, we could close nearly 300. And after that, what price did? Price did slowly pull back. And after that, after a few minutes, I closed the trade because it was nearly 23 o'clock and I wanted to sleep. If you want to learn such accurate trading strategy, watch for a start video lesson about what's DOM and footprint, and remember to join our free signals channel to get alerts while you're learning how to trade this approach. If you enjoy, remember to subscribe and push like. Thank you.